Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani from Bangalore and we are here at IHS Tritiya 2024. After taking the interviews of all the jewelries manufacturer and traders, अब हम आए हैं यहाँ पे पैकेजिंग और जो भी इनोवेटिव वी कैन से मशीनरी है उनको लेके और हमारे साथ सबसे पहले पैसियो से है शहरबान जी.
Yes, yes, yes.
सो डेफिनेटली शहरबान की जो कंपनी है ये स्पेसिफिकली ज्वेलरी के अंदर जितना भी पैकिंग के रिगार्डिंग सॉल्यूशन है वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हम इनसे लेंगे. मैम सबसे पहले आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपकी कंपनी एस्टैब्लिश कब हुई और हम कितनी कैटेगरीज में काम करते हैं.
Actually, this from decades we started,
ओके
and we are into solution from interiors to the end packaging, from top to end. The packaging solution completely apart from jewelry, whatever
इंटीरियर माने
the interior से, display से, and packaging से, I mean to down end packaging.
ओके तो ये तो खाली आपका पैकेजिंग का ही अभी
Yes,
प्रेजेंटेशन है.
yeah,
बाकी
yeah.
आपकी कंपनी काम बहुत सारे ऑलरेडी करती है.
Already have. We have the office in Dubai, the manufacturing unit in Dubai, as
Oh,
well
wow.
in Thrissur. We have 2 units for manufacturing, and in Tamil Nadu 4 units for manufacturing.
Oh, that's
we have
great.
we have segregated the products for each production unit so that the customer end will be very fast.
या एंड वेयर इज दिस कंपनी इज बेस्ड फ्रॉम.
This based from Kerala,
केरला.
Kerala.
ओके.
and our head office is in Dubai.
हेड ऑफिस इज इन दुबई.
Dubai,
सो
yeah.
ऑनर इज फ्रॉम इंडिया और दुबई.
No, Dubai. No, he is from Thrissur, Kerala.
Okay.
And
Thrissur.
yeah, now we are just spreading our wings to US as
Yeah,
well.
absolutely. Global market is a big market to cater.
Perfect.
Ma'am, can you give me the idea about your clients? Like, which are the companies?
We have the major clients like Joya Lucas, who is in I mean top in the jewelry sector. For
absolutely.
example, Malabar Joy has Kalyan in the south side.
Yeah.
And also most of them, they are not always into the packaging or into some or the another. We are always connected from interior to packaging. And from the north side, we are into Panna and Senco Group, and most of them. I mean,
so
Manik
ये सारे आपके
now
बड़े
the
clients
Reliance.
हैं.
Now we are into the project for Birla Group as well.
Oh wow, that's great. It is a big achievement actually.
Yes, yes.
मैम मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारी अलग अलग वेराइटीज़ हमारी ज्वेलरी के बॉक्सेस के अंदर अवेलेबल है.
Yeah.
आप मुझे थोड़ा और डिटेलिंग बता सकते हैं इसके
Yeah,
अंदर
yeah.
इसको ओपन
Actually,
करके?
this is we are the pioneers for this type of packaging for the
Okay. What is this
solitaire,
material?
and this is ABS,
Okay.
but feel like a wooden finishing.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But that
And
is
it's
not
beautiful.
Yeah.
And the touch is also very smooth and
Yeah.
elegant.
We are only the manufacturer for this kind boxes in India.
So this is the material.
All feel that we just import, but we have the manufacturing big unit with full
Okay.
of automation.
in Dubai,
No, in Tamil
Thrissur.
Nadu. In Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay. And here I am saying that these are the soft touch boxes, no?
No, this is quite common in everywhere we can get, but
Yeah.
this is leather finish boxes.
Okay, got it.
These all for the diamond section. They can have the solution for your diamond solitaire
Diamond.
polymer. Yeah.
Okay. And
That is the category.
what
this
about
is,
the
but
jewelry?
this is little not economical, but this is little bit luxurious.
Yeah, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. वो देख के भी पता चलता है मैम. And what about the jewelry? That's what the jewelry sections
For the
presentation?
display. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
This can be customized according to the sizes, the counters, what the props to be displayed, the designs. If they have any special customization in the color as well, we can import for them separately and do the things.
Okay, as per the requirement.
Requirement.
Oh,
If
wow,
they have
that's
any
great.
theme branding, we do the branding solution as well.
Okay.
If they tell us they want the branding for any men's collection or any wedding collections or any occasionals, we do that.
So good, but I'm so elegant to see all those beautiful designs what you have developed. क्योंकि बट ऑफिस क्लाइंट को तो सब कुछ नया चाहिए होता है एवरी टाइम प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए. तो मुझे लगता है आपकी कंपनी बिल्कुल कर सकती है.
We can do whatever the client requests, that we do.
अब मैम IHS में कितने टाइम से हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं?
I think from the second ages we are there.
So since 14-15 years I can say.
Yes.
Yes,
From
perfect.
Dubai itself we are.
Okay. And how's your experience regarding to the IHS?
Always, because first initially we was only the pioneers, I guess. Only 2 of them. At that time, huge requirements was there. Now
बिल्कुल.
we have with limited clients where we keep up the quality and do the things, and we maintain the things.
बिल्कुल.
And we do the solution for even the small or big customer. We give the same service, same time is nothing
Yeah,
difference.
that's great. That's because I think service is the main thing whatever client needed, no, to grow our business and to grow the relationship. So, but obviously it's a big deal. Ma'am, thank you so much for giving the detailed interview and it's pleasure to talk with you. आने वाले टाइम में आपकी कंपनी और ग्रो करे और
Yeah,
दुनिया भर
please.
के
We
अलग
do.
अलग कंट्री में पहुंचे.
We really. I just wanted to say a message for my clients that we are always for you and we are the one step and for your
Yes,
complete packaging solution.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सो मैं ये बिल्कुल बोल सकता हूँ कि अगर आप ज्वेलरी सेक्शन में हैं तो आपके लिए पेस्टियो जो है वो एक वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन हो सकता है एंड दे विल फुलफिल ऑल योर रिक्वायरमेंट.
Sure.
थैंक यू सो मच अगेन
Thank you.
once again ma'am and best of luck for your futures.
Thank you. And we have our interiors completely for only for jewelry section, not for others. That we have our Endora showroom there as well in
Okay.
our booth number.
What is the booth number?
The next to this one.
Okay.
Yeah. You can.
Thank you
have
once
it.
again.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Amit Milani and team, India's best export-import business trainers.